Part 2, Heads Pro Tutorial Guide for Highway Design by Drive-Thru by using the software UC-Win/Road by Forum 8. In this session we shall see the highway design by Drive-Thru. Step 1. Open the main screen of Heads Pro, by double-clicking on the desktop icon. Select menu item file, select working folder. Step 2. User may browse and select the folder work as it exists on the desktop or any other location in the PC/laptop, or create and select as the working folder. Step 3. Select the menu item file new/open project workspace highway design suite new/open uniform section highway design project. Step 4. Project workspace opens for uniform section highway design. Click on button Browse, under the Open Project. Step 5. Open Project selection box comes. Select the project as Tutorial Uniform Section Highway Design.html. Click on button OK. Step 6. The design is opened as available in the project folder under the Path Work Uniform Section Highway Design Project Tutorial Uniform Section Highway Design. The message comes confirming that the file is opened successfully. Click on OK. Step 7. Open the tab Page 3D Drive-Thru. The buttons on the left side are for Notes, Notepad, Tutorial Guide, and Tutorial Video. The right side buttons are for various processes. Step 8. Click on button Open Note. Step 9. The RTF file opens. User may read the note in the RTF file and may take a printout. Step 10. Go to main screen. Help contents of Heads Pro. Go to the path as shown by red color arrows to see under Export as land.xml various data as 200.1, 200.2.1, 200.3, 200.5, the detail interpretation of the data is given there. Step 11. Copy the data from the note under Step 1 from RTF file as mentioned in Step 9 as Heads 1400 Sim Layout 1401 Design Model equals Design, String equals M001 Desk equals Project Road. Finish. Step 12. Click on button Open Notepad. Step 13. Notepad opens. Paste the data. Step 14. Save the data as file, typing the file name as example 200.1.txt inside the project folder, under the Path Work Uniform Section Highway Design Project Tutorial Uniform Section Highway Design. Similarly, copy other data from note in the RTF file, under STEP2, STEP3 and STEP4. And paste each data one by one in Notepad, and save each time as separate input data files with names example 2.2.txt, example 200.2.1.txt, example 200.3.txt and example 200.5.txt inside the project folder under the same path as above. Step 15. Click on button Select Survey Data File and make Survey Gen file. Step 16. Select Total Station Survey Data File survey.txt, click on OK. Step 17. The Total Station Survey Data File is selected and it is opened in Notepad. Close Notepad. Step 18. The dialog box comes. Click on button Make Feature Continuous and write to Gen file. Step 19. The Process dialog box comes. Click on button Proceed. Step 20. As the process finishes, the Gen file is created. Message comes. Click on OK. Step 21. Click on button Select User Input Data File. Step 22. The selection box comes. Select the saved file example 200.1.txt from the project folder, or any location in the computer, where it was saved as mentioned in Step 14. Step 23. The file example 200.1.txt is selected and it is also opened in Notepad. close Notepad. Step 24, the message comes, click on OK. Step 25, click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 26, the process dialog box comes. Step 27, click on button Export Alignment as XML. Step 28, the next process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. Step 29, as the process is over, message comes informing that, in the project folder the output is created as alignment.xml file, click on OK. Step 30, click on button Select User Input Data File. Step 31, select the file example 200.2.1.txt, click on button Open. Step 32, the user input data file example 200.2.1.txt, is selected, where it was saved as mentioned in Step 14, it is opened in Notepad, close the Notepad. Step 33, the message comes, click on OK. Step 34, click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 35, the process dialog box comes. Step 36, click on button Export Triangulation as XML. Step 37, the next process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. Step 38, as the process is over, message comes informing that, in the project folder the output is created as triangulation.xml file, click on OK. Step 39, click on button Select User Input Data File. Step 40, select the file example 200.3.txt, where it was saved as mentioned in Step 14, click on button Open. Step 41, the user input data file example 200.3.txt, is selected, it is opened in Notepad, close the Notepad. Step 42, the message comes, click on OK. Step 43, click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 44, the process dialog box comes. Step 45, click on button Export Design Surface as XML. Step 46, the next process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. Step 47, as the process is over, message comes informing that, in the project folder the output is created as design_sec.xml, ogl_left_sec.xml and ogl_right_sec.xml files, click on OK. Step 48, click on button Select User Input Data File. Step 49, select the file example 200.5.txt, where it was saved as mentioned in Step 14, click on button Open. Step 50, the user input data file example 200.5.txt, is selected, it is opened in Notepad, close the Notepad. Step 51, the message comes, click on OK. Step 52, click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 53, the process dialog box comes. Step 54, click on button Export Ground Surface as XML. Step 55, the next process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. Step 56, as the process is over, message comes informing that, in the project folder the output is created as ground_sec.xml file, click on OK. Step 57, click on button Run UC-Win/Road. Step 58, the main screen of UC-Win/Road opens, select menu item Tools Import Land XML. Step 59, the import dialog box comes, use the open icon at left top corner as shown. Step 60, as the selection box comes, select file alignment.xml, click on button Open. Step 61, once again use the open icon at left top corner as shown. Step 62, the selection box comes, select File Triangulation.xml, click on button Open. Step 63, click on button Import as New. Step 64, the dialog box comes as shown below. Step 65, put check mark to select all the 3 items in the list, click on button Keep them all. Step 66, at the lower part of the box Start and End are displayed, click on button Done at the top right side. Step 67, select Menu Edit, and then select the menu item Edit Layout in Plan View. Step 68, the display screen appears, click on button Done. Step 69, a message comes, please wait. Step 70, the screen is displayed as below, click on the icon as shown by red color arrow. Step 71, the dialog box comes for driver instructions as shown, accept the parameters and click on OK. Step 72, the drive-through starts for the designed roads. Step 73, as the drive-through is finished, close the window by clicking on the X at right top corner. In this tutorial the trial version of UC-Win/Road is used. This is the end of session. See the highway design by drive-through.